Hey everyone, it is Josh here with HostGator. Today I'm going to show you how to create a brand new MySQL database and user in cPanel. Let's dive in. Now, if you're just installing software or a new CMS, 9 times out of 10, the database and database user are going to be created for you. So if you're using Softaculous and installing WordPress or Joomla, there's a good chance that this is already done for you, but sometimes you just might need to do it manually. So I'm going to show you how to do that today. We'll start out here in our cPanel, and I'm going to scroll down until I see MySQL databases. This is going to allow us to create a brand new database and a brand new user, and actually add that user to the database so that it can access it. You'll see here in the Create a New Database section, we're just going to type in the name. Notice here that your cPanel username is actually prefixed to this database name. So all you have to do is type in really what you want to name the database. I'm going to name mine JoshDB, and I'm going to click Create Database. So you can see we've got a successful message here, added the new database. I'm going to click Go Back and scroll down just a little bit to see all of the databases that I have in the cPanel. You can see here, JoshDB is my new database that's created. Now what I want to do is actually create a user that can access this database. Every single database needs to have a user that can access it and grant it a certain level of permissions so that it can go through different processes. What I'm going to do is scroll down until MySQL users, and I'm going to create one of the exact same name to add to that database. I'm going to create JoshDB as my user. It's going to ask you for a password. I love using password generator here from cPanel. It's going to create a very secure password. I'm going to go ahead and copy that password over into a paste bin or a text file over here. Click I have copied this password in a safe place and click Use Password. It's already got a very strong password set for you there. It's going to be really easy to use. Now what I want to do is click Create User. And now that brand new user is created. So I'm going to click Go Back one more time. Now what I want to do is probably the most important part, so stick around for this. What I want to do is actually add that user to the database so that I can access it. We're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom here where it says Add User to Database. Now I'm going to select that user, which is JoshDB, and I'm going to select the database that needs to be used for my dropdown. So bpit_JoshDB is both the user and the database here, and I'm going to click Add. It's going to ask me what level of privileges or permissions I want to add to this user on that database. I'm going to default to all privileges. You can hand select them here if you want to. 9 times out of 10 though, all privileges are going to be the best way to go. Once we've selected all privileges, click Make Changes. It's going to give me that successful message again. I'm going to click Go Back one more time. And now I can see if I scroll down here just a little bit, I've got my database and I've got my privileged user here. It's already accessible. It's going to be really easy to use. And as long as I have that password set, now that user can actively access that database and create new data. And that's it. I hope y'all found this helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below and subscribe if you want to see more. Thanks, y'all.